This was a project that began for us in 2019. We have a network of very skilled leaders in STEM. What if we connected them with girls that were still considering what to take, what academic path to follow? And that's kind of what brought us to this event tonight.
Networking is the key to this industry.
These are great resources for you to really get down and think about your careers.
This seminar is just a blessing. Like, I've never been to something like this, and to be exposed to this so many wonderful women and their experiences, it's just amazing. To have a mentor, I've never had a mentor. So to even have the connections, like we all went on LinkedIn, have the connection, it's like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. So that's why it's a blessing.
We as women, as people, I think we have untapped reserves of resiliency.
I thought it was fantastic. I was saying, I wish they had this when I was their age, because it's just, there's not enough support.
You guys are already taking the first step by coming to events like this. So you're already building your network.
As some of you know, we also host scholarships every single year.
Many of these things come from systemic issues, so really being able to use and leverage our power to be able to change things not only for ourselves, but for those who come after us is really amazing.